Hello and welcome. So, what have I been up to since I've been gone so long? Nothing is the answer. My phone just broke apart. This is a new one, so I'm trying it out. See how this works. Here we have a Fixa padlock with key, 40 millimeters. Material and environment, blah blah blah. Good to know. Double locked and self-locking. Quality guaranteed, blah 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 blah. Produced in China for Axfood AB. I got this from my wife, by the way. Keys, go away, don't need those. It's a bit frosty since it's been outside in the storage until now. So let's have a look at this. It seems like it has a fairly narrow keyway. See if we can break into this. I'll think I'm gonna try my old homemade city rake, one of the first one I actually made. See if I can get it in there. No, this is too narrow. No. See what we have here. Shallow hook, perhaps. This is a 0.4 millimeter hook from Multipick and the tip. Yeah, that did not put out much of a fight, did it? Let's do that again. Feels like there's only just one binder on this one. Yeah, I am going to go out on a limb and say that this hardened here is probably not hardened. Let's actually check that out. Just take this. This is an ordinary spring steel with a little rust on it I made ages ago. Nah. See, I am scratching it. This is not hardened. Case of aluminium. Yeah. What do you expect? Anyway, it's great to be back. And thank you for joining me. See you next time.